Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about the failures of Nvidia driver installation process. There are many kind of errors. In some cases Nvidia cannot find any compatible hardware. Other case is hardware found but installation process failed. I had the same problem also. I tried many things but I failed. Somehow I managed to install my Nvidia driver. I will show you the process in this video. If you wish, you can try this process, and if this worked for you, then subscribe my channel. Let's see what I got. You will see my Nvidia driver failed at its first stage, where it searches for compatible hardware. Let's solve the problem. For this, first open your device manager by the following process shown in the video. Then follow the process to find hardware IDs. After that, copy the first ID and save it to Notepad. Now go to the folder where Nvidia is installed. In this folder, go through the process shown in the video until you found NVACI. It's a system information file. Cut the folder to desktop and edit it. After that, save it and cut it to there where it belongs to. Pause your antivirus protection and start the setup.